Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Good afternoon, L2. Now you will recite a motto. Each of you was given a motto that is all about respect for a person and leadership, and translate it into Bisaya so you can understand what you memorize. Start with Riniel.
Respect yourself and others will respect you. Respeto ang imong kaugalingon ug ang uban mag respeto kanimo. You cannot force someone to help you, but you can refuse to be disrespected. Dili nimo pugson ang isa ka tawo para mo respeto nimo.
Treating everyone with respect regardless of who they are or their situation in life, that is an act of leadership. Ang pagtahod sa tanan kinsa o unsa man nilang kahintang sa kinabuhi usa ka buhat sa liderato.
The respect you give others is a dramatic reflection of the respect you give yourself. Ang respeto ang imong gihatag sa uban, usa ka dramatikong reflection sa respeto nga imong gihatag sa imong kaugalingon. Respect is how to treat everyone, not just those you want to impress. Ang pagrespeto mao ang pagtratar sa tanan, dili lang sa mga gusto nimo ang na-impress. Leaders don't force people to follow, they invite to nudging. Ang mga leaders dili magpugos sa sunod ilang gibedaran sa usa ka país. True leaders respect and honor authority but are comfortable in its presence. Ang tinuod ng mga leader nagtaod o pasimulan sa autoridad apan comfortable sa sunsya niini. One of the most sincere forms of respect and actually listening in what another has today. Usa sa pinakasinsiro nga matag sa pagtawod sa pag-respeto ug sa gisulti sa uban. Respect if those who deserve it, not those who demand. Ang respect para sa mga angay ni dili sa kinahanglan. Kamsahamnida.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Today is your memorization day. Go ahead and start.
The cows and the lions. 5 cows live in a little forest. They eat fresh grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together.
Very good. Clap your hands. Next.
The cows and the lions. 5 cows live in little forest. They eat fresh grass and a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together.
Very good. Clap your hands. Next.
The cows and the lions. 5 cows live in a little forest. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together.
Very good. Next.
The cows and the lions. 5 cows live in a little forest. They eat fresh grass and a
They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together.
Very good. Next.
The cows and the lions. 5 cows lived in a little forest. They ate fresh grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They
They.
decided to do everything together.
Very good. Advance, Marjorie. Okay, go. The last one.
Cows and the lions. 5 cows live in a little forest. They eat fresh, fish grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together.
Okay, man. Very good, everyone. So we are done and we're going to proceed to the next one. Bye for now.
Bye! 감사합니다. Bye, Teacher Lisan.
안녕하세요, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this morning, I will read a short story entitled The Price of Humility. So please listen to the story because it will give us a moral lesson, especially to your generation. Humility. Humility is a lack of pride. So, in Bisaya, ang humility is saan ang humility? Pagpaubos. So, the story goes like this. The search for an ideal grade 8 students was on in St. Agnes. So, ang school ko no, nangita og ideal nga students. So, unsa man ang ideal? Role model or sulundugon. Good example nga students. Myrna was one of them, but she refused. So, si Myrna, usa ato kuno, but ni-refuse si Myrna because she did not have any pretty clothes to wear. So, ni-refuse nibalibad si Myrna, kay wala siya nindot nga bestida nga iyang sulobon. However, Miss Noval, her favorite teacher, said to her, so, ang iyang favorite teacher ni ingon niya, Myrna, this is not a fashion show for clothes. We are looking for an ideal 8th grader. So, ni anang teacher, dili ni siya fashion show nga panindutay og sanina. Nangita mi og ideal nga estudyante as a good example nga student. Myrna came in a clean, simple dress. Unlike others who wore fancy jewelry and had flowers in their hair. So, pag abot na kuno sa judging day, si Myrna ning abot dito sa school nga limpyo yang sanina, simple, like dili para sa uban nga nangalahas, napay mga kanang buwak-buwak sa ulo. Siya simple ra gyud ni adto dito sa school. When the ni-exclaim, unsa man na-exclaim? Ning scream sila or mura sila napasigaw sila sa paglantaw nila ni Myrna. That is 1 point of your favor, ni ana ang maestra. Myrna smiled and said, "Thank you." So as karon nga generation, atong ma-apply ni siya sa inyong generation nga ang uban magsuko-suko kanang na-event nga dili bag-o sanina. So para nako dili siya importante nga wala tay bag-o. Ang imuha nga maka-attend ka, then limpyo imong sanina ning attend mo sa occasion nga imong attinan. Kay dili lisod man sa kay pugso nato ang atong parents nga mo palit-an na nga things kung walay ika-afford. So kung unsay naa, as long as limpyo, komportable ta, maunay importante. So mauna siya ang value sa humility. So magpaubos, dili ka atong ipanghambong nga is the price of humility. That's all for this morning. Bye-bye! Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this evening, we have helping verbs. So when we say helping verbs, statements may be changed into questions by using one of the helping verbs is, are, am, can, and etc. at the beginning. These helping verbs are used when you describe someone or something. For example, to say who or what they are or what qualities they have. For example, Filipinos are hospitable. Are Filipinos hospitable? Okay. So, the subject is I. The helping verb is am. Subject you. Helping verb are. Subject he, she, it. The helping verb is, so the subject is we. The helping verb is are. The subject we, the helping verb is are. The subject is you. The helping verb is are also. Same as they, the helping verb also is are. Here is another example. She blank a teacher. She is a teacher. You are also a teacher. They are policemen. I am a member of a 5 brigade. We are dreaming to become engineers when we grow up.